How do viruses recognize and attach to host cells? Viruses recognize and attach to host cells by binding to them with their attachment proteins. The attachment proteins bind to specific receptors on the surfaces of their host cells. The 3D shape of the attachment protein determines whether or not the virus will be able to successfully attach to the host cell. In this case, the tips on the end of the tail fibers match the receptor binding site on the host cell. So attachment of the virus to the host cell is successful. If a virus encounters a cell without the correct surface receptor, the virus will not be able to infect that cell. In this case, the tips on the end of the tail fibers do not match the receptor binding site. So attachment of the virus to the host cell does not occur. It is important to note that mutations in the virus genome can alter the 3D shape of virus attachment proteins. This can lead to changes in host range, which could make humans more susceptible to new strains of viruses. Similarly, mutations in the attachment protein genes could also reduce the ability of the host's immune system to prevent infection by viruses, since antibodies may no longer be able to bind to the mutant attachment proteins.